There was a girl who's pressured by her parents. Her name is Jenny. Tungod gusto sang iya nga parents na maging honor student siya, due to the pressure of her parents, she became rebel. So her parents seek some help from a counselor.
Good morning, Miss Virginia. Good morning, Miss. Before kita mag-start sa ating session, I want you to know that this conversation is very confidential. Kita lang mismo makapalo. Let's help each other to solve your problem.
I read it because my parents pressure me about my academics. They give me everything I want, pero may values na ini na dapat hinuunugin ang gusto nila. Kasi sila sa taas na standard para may bugal sila sa ilang mga friends.
Thank you, Ms. Adamo. You're welcome, Miss Virginia. I'll see you next session.
Jenny May confronted her parents about them pressuring her. Jenny May continued her session with her counselor and she promised that she will apply all the advice of her counselor.